Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antoni kublay pi baru kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasngi usimbot menteri rangba bakmi iki kampo yeng police ba Prestone tensong ulat herting ye ka sarkar United States of America USA bakno baga jila Meghalaya berkathan shati lamingi kari India kide ki jaka ki bamshngan ye kinong shngain prathai ka USA dangshen kalapanmi ya ka jingpatha bakentu ya baro kinong shnong jongka bakimdei banitka Meghalaya bad kiwi ki jila kathan chate lamingi kari India namar bakide ki jaka ki bamabha kalong ka basngosi baka sarkar United States of America USA kalapanmi yakum kane ka jingpatha ngamtem nangnu kami kane ka khubor bat nangnu ru ki yo ya kane ka khubor ong uba Prestone habaya kran berkilat pathai khubor uba Prestone ulapan shai baka Meghalaya kade ka jaka ka basngan tam ha ka prathai bad ya kane la sakhi omtang mangi na Meghalaya hendrai da baro akaway kari India omtang kari India hendrai wat hasatlak ka prathai kila sakhi ya kane baka Meghalaya ha ka jingshisha kadai ka jaka ka basngan tam banwan bad ban pelut ya ka porshuti ulapan rap
United States of America. I don't know from where this report came in and from where did they get this report. I think it is very, very unfortunate. But let me clarify. As far as Meghalaya is concerned, let me tell you one thing, that Meghalaya is the safest place, and this is being witnessed not only by us from Meghalaya, but throughout India, not only throughout India, even throughout the world. They witnessed this, that Meghalaya is in fact the safest place to come and to visit and to spend their holidays.